Tufts University's Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering prepares you to advance the technologies that power today's world. Located minutes from the technology hubs of Boston and Cambridge, students learn in an environment where discovery meets real-world impact. Through our graduate programs, students design AI systems, develop intelligent technologies, and solve complex engineering challenges. Some of these programs are even available online.
One graduate student said Tufts allowed him to explore a broad range of topics to learn and commit to what he was most passionate about.
Our alumni have gone on to companies like Abbott Laboratories, Microsoft, Amazon, and many more, with positions such as computer systems analyst, data scientist, and electrical engineer. Gain hands-on experience through the School of Engineering Graduate Co-op program, with up to 6 months of full-time work. Expand your impact with Tufts' dual degree program, combining an MS in an engineering program with a leadership-focused MS from the Gordon Institute.
Learn more at go.tufts.edu/ECE.